it's your girl Tiara, and I'm back with another video. Today I am with my friends. Say your name.
Chloe.
And
Sarai.
and I actually I forgot to vlog the first process of us going bike riding through the city, but we went to Harrow's and her dad owns Harrow's. Go check it out. It's on the north side and it's the best, period. But yeah, we're actually at Dairy Queen right now, and this is the last of everything, so you guys won't be getting much. But
You could show them while we're biking.
girl, I
multitask?
can't do that.
Do that.
I was swerving regardless. Do you really think I'm gonna be able to?
I thought you would be able to.
I will kill myself trying to do that. So y'all won't be seeing no biking, but
I'll get a clipping.
yeah, it's alright, and I could just put that in there. But
You gotta
yeah, we've been biking through the city.
You gotta get the good clips for the YouTube.
There's my
People want to
ass.
see it.
Oh, and no cursing on here. I just did. Yeah, I just gotta bleep everything out because I definitely just cursed. But anyway, we're at Dairy Queen right now, just chilling. I don't know what street this is.
We on
Grace.
Southport.
Oh, we
in
on
Grace.
Southport. Okay. And we was trying to go to Lakeshore Drive.
Like just read.
Hey now, let's not let's not do that in the video.
I don't know where we are.
Now, we were supposed to go on Lakeshore Drive, but we couldn't figure out a way to get over there, so we stuck here, and we're gonna just go back to Sarai's house and do I don't know what. So I'm gonna try to get some clips of us biking, but if not, sorry about it.
Should get clips of all the cute dogs we've seen.
I didn't see no dogs. Chloe.
I've seen tons of cute. I didn't know if I would say like zillions or tons of cute dogs. Like,
She talking about she seen zillions.
I see a dog.
I've seen so
We
many.
seen
like,
one cute
French
dog.
bulldogs and stuff.
We seen one
And
cute
no,
dog. I'm gonna
not
show y'all where we
tripping. Y'all don't
at.
be looking for dogs.
And there. So y'all can see we ain't shit happening.
And we not lying.
So y'all never met my best
look
friends
like an
before.
actor.
This is not a good time
Why?
to get to know me.
No, just saying who with these because it's the first time you're gonna be on there. So
I'm
y'all-
nervous.
The first time we
Wait, are
appeared
you
on
really
her
gonna
channel.
post this?
Yeah, bro, probably.
I'm really nervous.
Just a quick little biking vlog. So yeah, these are my best friends, and we've
Can you
been
like this angle is
Yeah,
over?
it's not a good angle.
not good.
okay.
Shoot, Tiara, that's a big issue.
Then we're gonna have to hold. Okay, these are my best friends, and we've been friends.
Right, I think you should come sit over here.
Yeah, so it can just be like
So
this.
yeah, that's
Come
a
over
little
here.
bit better.
But okay, what I was saying was we've been friends since our junior year or senior year.
Girl, we met freshman year.
Well, okay. Me and Chloe been rocking since freshman year, but me and Sarai have been friends since
Senior year.
okay, I can't remember. Senior year.
But
Senior
I
year.
met Chloe.
I feel like I met you
sophomore
junior
we
year.
met sophomore year.
But okay. So I always want to claim that
It's
we
just
friends
weird
since high
that
school.
we just all connected at
Yeah.
the end.
yeah, we were
Because
nothing
what's
alike.
funny is
Well,
that we
were.
was all friends like separately, but we never hung out like as a trio
Yeah.
Until like senior year.
until after.
Yeah, really
after high
after.
school, for real.
Right. And I used to think Sarai was super mean because look at her face. She just looks mean.
I am not.
She just looks
No,
mean.
you were the one who looks like
You see what you was trying to say? Anyway, moving on. So
She
tell
doesn't she have that resting like bee face?
No.
Yes, she does. Well,
You
I
do.
don't.
you do.
No, I
In the morning
don't.
time especially, y'all.
In the morning time.
But I'm gonna just let them tell you about themselves. So Chloe, go first.
No, wait, what you want to know?
Just tell them where you go to school and
Okay,
like.
so
yeah.
I go to the Ohio State. I'm a rising third year in civil engineering,
Woo.
and I love my friends.
Now you, Sarai.
I go to DePaul University.
Why are you whispering?
Speak up, my boy.
Nobody knows me. Okay?
Use your voice, boy.
DePaul University, and I'll be a junior. And my major is biology, and I hope to be a doctor.
Yes, Sirski. My
Nice.
friends is smart. Right, nice. So yeah, that's a little bit about them. you'll probably be seeing us when this corona stuff is over. Or this, I shouldn't say corona because they could flag my video. But when this stuff is over, you'll probably be seeing more of them. Or we're going to probably do like some fun stuff together. I don't know. But yeah, I be with them all the time. And yeah.
Follow us on IG.
Oh yeah, follow them on IG, say your IG, and Twitter and whatever it's with.
Mean Girl Chloe.
That's your what, Instagram?
Yeah, Twitter, Snap.
All of it is me.
I don't have Snapchat.
Okay, so just follow her on
It's just
Instagram
Mean
and
Girl
Mean Girl
Chloe Instagram, and I have Twitter, but I don't use it.
Wait, you never changed it? I thought you mentioned it.
I haven't posted. I said when I post my next picture, I'm gonna change it.
All right. So,
My @handle is just Sarai Payton.
she don't even post, no reason to.
So no reason to follow.
No, for real. Like she don't.
Yo,
post.
go ahead.
If I'm gonna have my people follow you, my 40 subscribers follow you, you need to start getting active. Okay, but
Half of them probably already do. So
right, it's the same people we be doing. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go.
Oh, look,
But
they
I'm gonna get back.
protesting downtown.
I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to
We should pull up. I never been in a protest.
We ain't pulling up to no pro. Get me
we
out.
out here riding bikes. Tiara.
Okay, yeah. Chloe, get in there.
He told you. It feels so good out here. Oh, look at this. Almost ran us over. Chloe, I can't see you. What you got to say, bro?
Extremely angry. Do not try this at home.
What? Yeah, don't try this at home, kids. Alright. Bye, vlog. Oh, you smell that?
Yeah. Okay, guys, so we look crusty, or at least I look crusty, but y'all don't look that crusty.
You're saying you don't look crusty?
No, I said y'all don't look crusty, but I do. We have just finished our bike riding, and I'm gonna put in some clips of when we was riding our bikes. We didn't get that many because we didn't want to kill ourselves. So I'll put those in.
Hey guys.
Did y'all have fun today?
I had
Yes,
fun.
I had a good time too. My mother is sweating me about getting back home, so I have to get home. But
Get back home.
yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will get with you guys next time.
Okay, bye guys. See you in the next
Say
video.
bye. Bye.